wait, make I give you a complete estimate wey go take you to build a standard 3-bedroom bungalow anywhere you dey. So for the sake of this video, I go start with blocks and the cement wey you need for that 3-bedroom bungalow. Now, you dey obodo oyibo, you dey United States of America, you dey United Kingdom, you dey Canada, and you wan build house back home or any other country, and you wan build house back home. But now you dey wonder, say, okay, if I send this thing, you sure say this amount wey you wan send, wey dem tell you e correct? Or maybe you go dey even wonder, say, why should I listen to this person? Because I get my own engineer, I get person wey if he tell me estimate, e dey correct. It's no challenge. But I wan tell you something, say, we don hear many stories wey be say people send money to even their own brother. They carry am, they come back home, they no see money, they no see house. We don hear story wey be say people carry give engineer, carry, they build your house and they build your own house. Because most times there are people, sincere people there, but e get person wey be say they laugh with you, they happy with you, but na then they do you. As you they give them the money, as they put 1 block, 2 block for ground for you, they put 1 for their own. Before you know, you finish build house. All the money where you spend, where you dey happy, you actually build house for the person where they supervise for you. So it good may you also get the update. Know it. 1, make you no suspect people wrongly. 2, make you dey sure of what you want to do, so that the money where dey your hand, you go use them well. Because if you get budget from beginning, that budget supposed cover the whole of your project to the end. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you, like I said, the quantity of cement the quantity of blocks, that you need to build a standard 3-bedroom bungalow, and the cement that is needed to lay that blocks. All I will give you now for this video. Thank you. So this is Build Smart Africa, your number 1 Ogbonge place where we give updates about construction matters. Yes, about real estate, about construction, any kind of construction, heavy engineering, residential construction, all we give you updates. We give you estimates on materials where you go need to fit build, and also concept and initiative where you need to inculcate into your project, where go help you, and your everything will go on sulele. Please don't forget, may you subscribe to this channel so that you will get updates about building, about construction, about materials, about estimates where you need to get, so that if you get this knowledge, it will help you if you manage your construction project by yourself. If they give you any estimate, by yourself, you just take and check and because of the tricks and the hacks we are going to give you, we go help your project go well. How many blocks you need to build a standard 3-bedroom bungalow? This number of blocks where I won't give you is based on, we don't combine 10 different standard design from senior architects. Nobody say we they play senior architects, and we don't see all the designs, their features and everything. So standard where you go need to build a standard 3-bedroom flat now 3,500 blocks with 5% waste. This thing where I give you now 5% waste day inside. So we the advice, say, if you won't buy all these blocks, not just go buy 3,500 blocks because you hear me talk, just give them boom. No, you go order in bits. First of all, give them 1,000, because get something where people for all this construction worker they do. When they see material plenty, they use it anyhow. And your block where they supposed to put block, where they'll just carry their hand thrower, hit and boom, just break your block anyhow. Put them, before you know, you will incur a lot of waste. Yes. So now, order in bits, bring 1,000 first. They reach that, but you don't already know. I don't give you update. You know how many blocks you need. You give them. If they use, you go check. Look, they send you picture. You look the how far the one don't go. If you say 1,000, don't carry and reach here as you stand. They say they don't lay up to out of the ground. Don't lay like 4, let's say 6 courses. Carry and reach that one. You give them another 1,000. You say they don't finish lintel. They do the roof beam. You go no say, how they don't reach window level, which is like close to lintel. You say, Kai, if I give them another 1,000 or another 800 by yourself, but you know the total, so you know go exceed your budget. You understand? So now you they ask, say, this cement, this bag of these blocks now where I don't give you, where they don't tell you now how many cement you will need. Now make I give you this update. Carry your phone. You see that total number of blocks where I tell you, ba, just divide that total number of blocks by 47. What do you get? Okay, make we do it together. Just take your time, carry your phone, carry your calculator now for that your phone. Make me self do and make we do it together. May we dey updated together. Okay, 3,000, my own door open. Okay, 3,500 blocks divided by 47. So you have 74.4, say approximately 75 bags of cement. So you need 75 bags of cement to use lay the whole of that blocks where you go take build. So now, you now go now check for your area where you dey, how much will be one bag of cement. Take and multiply am by 75 bags. If na 10,000 for where I dey, na 10,000. Carry and multiply and 10,000. How much you get? Blocks, how much? If where you dey, 10,000 naira, sorry. Nigerian naira, sorry. Where you dey, if na blocks, they say our own where I dey na 500 naira for 9-inch block. Carry am, multiply am. Anything you get, add them together. That is the money. Now you go come dey ask yourself, how much you go pay the labor? I give you, take that amount times am by 15%. That amount, let's say you have 3 million, for instance, the whole of the amount you have, just times am by 15%. That amount you get, now the amount you go pay the mason will go lay the whole of the block to finish your house. It's as easy as that. 15% of that material and that labor, now be the amount you go pay the mason. But now you as being say, I don't give you this update, you can't keep on, you begin bargain with them. Let's say you get, say 600,000, let's say now what you get as the total labor, you can't keep on. That amount now, you go start bargaining. You don't say na 600 or you start and say na 350 you get. When I go argue, you say, okay, 400. But you no go past that amount because you belong to Build Smart Africa, where they give you updates. These updates now, you go they use and they bargain. You understand? You go bargain because you hold your own benchmark. They no go feel run you streets. If you want go again, you say, no, you go stay here. And if the thing too much, come contact me. Ask me, hey, I'm bargaining and they are doing like this. What should I do? I will give you tips. I will give you, that is why I did here. I'm the boss. I know how to do these things. This is my training. Yes, I've been trained. I'm trained in construction management in my master's degree level. I'm trained as a quantity surveyor. I'm trained as a builder. So I get experience. When you say, I will give you when you say, Kai, you go just they help your business. They go, Sulele. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to ask me question. I did ready to give you any question. So long as na building, na construction, I get the answer to give you.